Forward number 13, Justin Elduayan. Also at forward number 15, Oliver Almonte.
Davao, that should be their game plan.
Kanina sa 16 and under game with 8 players, si Coach Martin mismo nagsabi na fatigue ang kalaban nila. After that block, the spin, the jumper is pure for Elduayan from Julio. Samantala, scoring once again is Mandaluyong. Elduayan trying to bring down the ball, this time against Bill Grabador. Oh, finds an opponent underneath. At naka-end one pa doon si Almonte.
Nga, kita natin sa replay dito, no? Si Lago was unaware na kumakat sa likod niya. Itong si Ait got caught with a foul.
Almonte with a pound-for-pound fiddling from the other side. But Mandaluyong Jr., Micro Smith.
Forward siya between here and there. Kaya marami siyang natututunan in terms of yung basketball exposure niya.
Oh, that jumper by Elduayan once again falls. He's been doing that, and I think they want to match up. Oh, that was a block. But finding a teammate underneath was Herrera, and great job staying on the play. Almonte, 18 and under, Kyle.
Oh. Yun nga pala, constantly reminding me of my gout. Oh, sorry, my age.
Ayun, na-remind tayo kung ilan to. Yung entry pa sa loob will not work. They try it a second time to the other side. Oliver Almonte, what a smart.
Malaking lamang ng Mandaluyong in the first quarter has allowed them to still have this 6-point lead heading into the half.
Elduayan, wow! The turnaround jumper. Was that Kevin Durant available? As we see that guy, Justin Elduayan, getting it done para dito sa Mandaluyong Micro Smith and yung teammate niya.
Wake up these boys. Liliman na nga lang ang kalaban nila pero talagang kita mo naman kung sino mas gutom.
And look at that! What a setup by Elduayan and Almonte. Justin again asks for the ISO. He knows he can blow by his defender, and he does! What a move!
What a beautiful cross. Well, Mandaluyong has played here today, and their hunger to get back in the winning column.
Oh, Almonte again with the putback! At kawawa yung buffet sa'yo.
Oo, no? Sulit na sulit. Malulugi sila.
Oh, what a play there! And capped off by Almonte once again. I believe that's his 6th straight point.
Ryan, really taking control and yung pace and tempo ng opensa nila starts with him.
Oh! But so far, Justin has been a decoy because somebody else. Again with this beautiful move, going baseline, then spinning to the middle. Knocking it down, Mandaluyong.